Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here is the bacon. I turned on the fire. The other day, I made some miso soup base. So this is how I make. Maybe it's right, maybe it's not right. Anyway, this is how I make something with more flavor. Okay, I first cut some little onion. Does not have to be perfect, and it's not a must. If you do not like onion like me, just do not use it. It's not that important. So I cut some onion and some ginger. They are all good. I should start with ginger. So here's the ginger. I just peel off the skin. Oh, I love cutting ginger. Oh, this is so good. Look at it. So cut it into thin slice. So make sure you make a counting before you cut the ginger, how many fingers you have, and count after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From beginning to the end, there is no number change. That is good. So that's about it. Okay. So, what is going on? Ah, it has to see finger. I am sorry for losing the focus. So right now, I have not yet put any oil or anything. You know what I am about to do? I will put in the bacon, all of it, easy peasy. Now we take a look here. Cover it up. Time to say hello. Sorry for the noise. Time to say hello. Hello. Bye bye. This is pepper, salt. Hello. Bye bye. Cumin seed. Bye bye. Mustard seed. Oh, it's used up. No more. Bye bye. So, not so important anyway. Okay, we turn the fire a little bit stronger to get the fat out. cover it up. Now we will start to put in the miso paste. Oh, we do have some champignon. We can put some champignon. We have this champignon. Why not? Shiitake. And this is a trumpet champignon. You can also put it in. The more things you put, the more flavor it will get. And just that simple. Okay. Now we take a look. See? The oil is starting to come out. Put some champignon, mushroom. Little bit cooking oil. Hello. Chili pepper sauce if you like. So we have some, it's used up. The instant noodle soup. Can put some, there is nothing. Okay. We have enough flavor, so we do not really need it that much. Oh, there is nothing. Okay, now we can put in the miso paste. A big spoonful of it for a week of salt. Then I put in cooking wine. Okay. You can put in water or cooking wine. I just want to get rid of the cooking wine. We have some cooking wine. Put it in. So that is about it. Hai Ying's cooking is no recipe, get whatever handy. Okay, it's a family cooking. You do not need to buy particular one thing or another thing. Anything, when you get it together for the right amount of time, it will be good. And how long it cook? The longer it is, the better flavor. The flavor will all melt it together, right? So put in some water, and we do have some soup stock. So I can put some soup stock, which is leftover soup. I can put it in. Which has more flavor, right? Now turn the fire slower and let it cook, let it simmer for another 5-10 minutes. It is good already, but the more you cook it, the better flavor it has, right? Do I make any sense? So let it simmer, and each time get 1 spoonful for making a bowl of soup, because it's quite salty. Okay, bon appetito. Do, 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 do. Okay, my husband is waiting. It's his turn now. In our family, we have a small kitchen, and 4 of us, each one, we all want to cook what we want to cook. So I am finishing my turn. Now it's his turn. Bon appetito. He makes better food than me. He makes so much better. My food is n'importe quoi. Yeah, his food is n'importe quoi. Okay, bye bye friends. That is it.